Do you want a fresh and youthful appearance, better eyesight? Do you want to get rid of seasonal allergies, sinus issues, ear and throat issues? If yes, then this video is for you. In this video, I will introduce you to a cleansing technique known as Jal Neti. Further, we will explore how to do it safely, its miraculous benefits, and the safety measures that you should take care of before doing it. In addition to this, I will give some bonus tips on Jal Neti. So watch the video till end. Hello everyone, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. I am Chaitanya Singh and welcome to Yogachaitanya, a channel where you will find content for improving your physical, mental, emotional and spiritual well-being. So if you are new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any of the health related tips and updates. All of us start our day by brushing our teeth and taking a shower, cleaning our body. Then we move towards the daily life routine or work. We always clean our body from the outside, but what about the internal cleaning of the body? In yoga, we have different cleansing techniques which cleanse the different organs and the systems of the body so that we can stay healthy and fit. These cleansing techniques are known as Shatkarmas. One of these Shatkarma is Neti, which is used for cleansing the nose. Neti is done by using cotton thread or water. If we use cotton thread, then it is known as Sutra Neti, whereas if we use water to cleanse the nose, then it is known as Jal Neti. Today we will talk about Jal Neti. The Sanskrit word Jal means water and Neti means to guide. Jal Neti is a practice of guiding water through the nasal passage to cleanse them. It's a natural technique used by yogis to stay healthy and disease-free. Its most important use is to increase the prana flow through the breath for yogic practices. Our human nose is involved in several bodily functions. It allows air to enter the body. It filters and cleans the air to remove particles and allergens. It provides a sense of smell. It warms and moistens the air so that it can move comfortably into the respiratory system. In addition to this, it is connected to sinuses, eyes, ears, throat, and a way to the lower respiratory system. So nasal hygiene is very important and we should never ignore it. Lack of nasal hygiene can lead to several conditions like sinusitis, migraine, allergies, snoring, and asthma. Let's talk about some of the benefits of Jal Neti that will amaze you and drive you towards this cleansing technique. Benefits of Jal Neti. The practice of Jal Neti removes mucus, dirt and pollution from the nasal passages and the sinuses, allowing air to flow without any obstruction. It helps prevent and manage respiratory tract diseases. It helps to maintain good health of ears, eyes and throat. The regular practice of Jal Neti elevates upper respiratory tract issues like sore throat, tonsils and dry cough. As you all know, winters are approaching and season is shifting its gears. In this season, many people struggle with persistent cough or cold, phlegm issues, sore throat, low immunity. I suggest you try our cold and cough relief herbal tea. This tea has wonderful results. Yogachaitanya cough and cold relief herbal tea is based on a unique formula of 11 herbs that helps to relieve cold and cough, inflammation, boost immunity and improve digestion and detoxification. Our wellness teas are available at free shipping and discount. You can use coupon code YCU25 to get an additional discount of 5%. This discount is valid for limited time, so order it now. Please note, free shipping is available only in India. Link to the tea and the coupon code is available in the description tab. Jal Neti helps to relieve the muscular tension in the face and it helps the practitioner to maintain a fresh and youthful appearance. La la la, la 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 la. It has a calming and soothing influence on the brain. It alleviates anxiety, anger and depression, removes drowsiness and makes the head feel light and fresh. It calms the nervous system and the mind. It also helps relieve stress and bring clarity to the mind. Jal Neti stimulates and improves the sensitivity of the olfactory nerves, thereby improving the sense of smell and digestion. Now, you might be wondering that how the sense of smell can improve digestion. The smell of food induces variety of physiological processes in our body. The production of saliva and the digestive enzymes is stimulated before the actual food enters the mouth, which improves the digestion. Jal Neti practice cleanses the tear duct, encouraging clearer and improved vision. Regular practice of Jal Neti is beneficial for middle ear infection, glue ear, and tinnitus. Further, it helps to manage seasonal allergies, snoring, and sleep apnea. After the practice of Jal Neti, a balance is established between the right and the left nostril and corresponding left and right brain hemispheres, inducing a state of harmony and balance throughout the body and mind. It stimulates the third eye known as Ajna Chakra, which helps in awakening the higher states of meditation. It will help you improve your quality of meditation. Before proceeding towards the practice of Jal Neti, let's discuss one of the most important things, that is the precautions and contraindications for Jal Neti that must be taken care of. Precautions for Jal Neti. Water should be pure. It should not be too hot or too cold. The temperature of water should be approximately 37 to 39 degrees centigrade. The salt should be properly mixed in the water. The proportion of salt is 1 teaspoon per half liter of the water. If you experience painful or burning sensation, that means salt is too little or too much in the water. Make sure you dry your nostrils properly after the practice of Jal Neti. Otherwise, the nasal passages and sinuses may get irritated and manifest the symptoms of a cold. Contraindications for Jal Neti. Avoid Jal Neti during cold, flu or sinusitis when your nose is completely blocked. If you have ear infection or you are prone to them, then you should avoid the practice of Jal Neti. If you suffer from chronic bleeding of nose, then you should practice it in the presence of a competent teacher. People who have difficulty in passing water through the nose due to structural blockage should seek medical advice. How to do Jal Neti? For Jal Neti, we need a special pot. This pot may be of plastic, pottery, brass or copper or any metal which does not contaminate water. This pot should have a nozzle on the end which fits comfortably into the nostril so that water does not leak out. Like this. Or the water to be used for cleansing should be pure at body temperature of approximately 37 to 39 degrees centigrade and thoroughly mixed with salt in proportion 1 teaspoon per half liter of water. I repeat, 1 teaspoon per half liter of water. A painful or burning sensation is an indication of too little or too much salt in water. You can do Jal Neti while standing or in a squatting position. I will demonstrate both positions with plastic and copper pots. As you can see that right now I am in my bathroom, ready to go for Jal Neti practical. Best place to do it is in the bathroom, or you can do it over the sink. That is also possible, so that you don't have to manage the cleaning stuff. Or you can do it in the open where there is a provision of cleaning the floor, or it's a mud based floor which can suck the water. To begin with, come and sit in a squatting position like this with spine straight, and make sure you are breathing through mouth in this practice because you will be passing water from the nostril. So it is not possible to breathe through nostrils. So sit in a squatting position like this and lean forward, and then hold the Neti pot into your right hand and then place the tip of the Neti pot into your right nostril like this and tilt your head towards the left like this. Now slowly start raising the elbow up so that the water will start passing from the right nostril into the left and it will come from the left. And make sure you are breathing through the mouth. When you feel that half of the Neti pot is empty, then transfer the pot into the left hand and exactly as we did earlier, place the tip of the Neti pot into the left nostril, tilt the head towards right and start raising your left elbow up so that the water passes from the left nostril to the right, and keep breathing from the mouth. And so this is the squatting position Jal Neti. Let's do it. So hold the Neti pot in your hand like this and then breathe. So this was sitting position. Now I will show you in a standing position. To do Jal Neti in a standing position, come and stand with legs slightly wider than the hips. Now lean forward like this. Place the left hand onto the right knee so that it can give you support. And then hold, as I explained earlier, the pot into your right hand and then place it into the right nostril. Tilt the head towards the left. Raise the elbow up and the water will start passing. And then when you feel the pot is half empty, then transfer it to the left hand and repeat the same. So let's do it. You already know how to do it. Lean forward, place the left hand onto the left thigh to support your trunk, and then place the tip of the pot into your nostril. Now comes the most important part, that is cleaning. For cleaning, stand straight and then block your right nostril with the right thumb and start doing Kapalbhati over here. And then repeat the same on the left nostril. Then lean forward as we did earlier. Raise your head slightly up and then turn the head onto the right side and then start doing Kapalbhati onto the left nostril by blocking the right nostril. And turn the head onto the left. Then repeat the same onto the left nostril by blocking the left nostril, opening the right. Turn the head onto the right. And then turn the head onto the left. When both the nostrils are done, then lean forward, block the right nostril and do 5 strokes on left. Then onto the right. This is how you can clean your nostrils. Jal Neti should be practiced in the morning before asanas and pranayam. However, if necessary, it can be practiced anytime except after meals. It's time to talk about a bonus tip on Jal Neti. You can use some other liquids also instead of water for the practice of Jal Neti. These liquids can be warm milk, warm clarified butter or ghee. If we use warm milk for Neti, then it is called Durg Neti. In case of warm clarified butter or ghee, it is called as Ghrit Neti. In case if you use oil instead of ghee, then it should be natural and without any chemicals. Each liquid has different benefits. Please note, none of these variations should be practiced unless instructed by a competent teacher. Jal Neti practice is completely safe and I have tried it multiple times. So I highly recommend you to try it. Then only you can feel and experience its benefits. And don't ignore this video here because it will help you fix skin problems, acne, acidity, urinary and kidney diseases. Thank you for watching this video. Namaste, Sat Shri Akal, take care and I will see you in this video next.